Hey guys, I have IMETBOX M6. This is powered by Android 12, equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig of eMCC. That's the memory, I think. And there's a Ultra HD, and you can play games as well. Let's open this. The first thing you see is the box, with the wrap with this plastic bag. This is soft to protect it. And then from here you get to see there's a remote control. This is the power cable. Yeah. This is the 3-pin plug. Yep. You also get the HDMI cable, product manual in English and also Chinese. Yep. It's all in white, and here is piano black, and there's a guide here. Yeah. And you can see there is a TV button here. This is the on off your TV. I think you need to learn your TV first. Yeah. This is the source, yeah, for you to change HDMI 1, 2, 3 or more. And this is your volume. This should be powering on the device itself. And this is a mute button. Then you have a shortcut key for your Google Play, your YouTube. This is the voice button, going to different channels and looking for contents, yeah, based on the title. And this is volume as well. Yeah, but this is volume for the device. This is volume for the TV. And there's a navigation button, up, down, left, right with an OK. And this is a back button, home button, a menu button, and this is the digits, yeah. And there's some shortcut buttons as well. This is for you to customize yourself. Yep. So for example, you have a Netflix app or Disney Plus app or other apps that you want to create shortcut key, you can actually assign them here. All right, that's your remote control. And I do believe that you need to use AAA. So simple. Now let's look at this, the box itself. Okay, wow, this looks pretty good. And this is aluminium. So I think this is good for heat dissipation, yeah. So that heats, you don't really need vents. Oh yeah, there are vents here as well. So this design is something I've not seen before. This is made of aluminium, and on top is glossy white. And I do believe this will have some lights as well, and very nice. So it comes with this sticker. Yep. Which is like a oh, I think this is just a sticker to show you that this is already tested or something like that. Green, qualified. Okay, and then there is this I think there's a LED here to show you some information, status of the TV box. This for you to put in your memory card, and there's USB 2, USB 3. USB 3 obviously will be faster. Sorry, and this is to power up your device. Your HDMI cable comes here, and the network cable comes here, and there's a SPDIF where you can put in your optical cable to your to your older home theaters. And this is AV, yeah. This is for you to plug in your headphone, wired headphone, if you still have one there. And of course, if you have a Bluetooth headphone, then use the Bluetooth instead. So yep, and you get to see that this is IMETBOX M6, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig of ROM, and there are lots of holes here to dissipate the hot air. And there's 4 pieces of rubber here so that it doesn't move around. Yeah. Okay, pretty nice. So once started, it shows you the screen. Nice animation. And pair the Bluetooth remote control here. So there you go. press OK and volume. So this is OK, this is minus volume together. Okay, device status connected. Then it goes to the next step. You can change your language to English, Chinese, Hong Kong Chinese, Taiwan Chinese, China Chinese, Indonesia, Malay, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, Filipino. I'll just stick with English. And time zone, you can change it to Taipei, Hong Kong, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, and whatnot. Yep. So I just stick with Hong Kong Standard Time. Picture adjustment. Well, what do I do? So when I click left, right, it will adjust for me. Yeah, to make sure you maximize the screen. Okay, next. Okay, network settings. Let's set this up. Okay, look for available Wi-Fi and set this up. Yep. I finished putting my Wi-Fi password, so I just click OK and connect to my Wi-Fi. Once successfully connected, you can go to the next step and finish, start a new life for this box. Yeah, so this is pretty nice. Yeah, the background looks okay, and I think you have 4 buttons here for you to set up your shortcuts, and here there are more than just 4, a lot more. So over here, this is auto start. This is to clear your cache or memories so that you can have a faster device. This is to connect to your Bluetooth devices. I think yeah, remote control, not others. Okay, this is to connect to your remote control, and this is to change the language. You can change it immediately over here. Oh, there are English for Australia, India, UK, and many more. Yeah. Okay, next, this is to change your Wi-Fi if you're not connected to the network. Yep. So if you have a network cable, you can also change it from here. And these are the settings. And okay, it comes with some installation steps as well. So let's go into the settings, and you can also change your device name or change your network here, your accounts, your apps, what is opened, and the device preferences, the date, time, language, keyboard, display and sound. So particular on display and sound. Screen resolution is now auto. Yep. And automatically it displays the highest 4K 60 Hertz, and HDR. Normally I'll just use the default always HDR. Yep. So screen positioning, zoom in, zoom out, screen rotation. Yeah, I don't think I want to rotate unless you are having, you know, something to display on the portrait version, the portrait mode. HDMI CEC. This allows you allows your TV control. Yeah, meaning that when you on your TV, automatically it will on this as well, and when you off this TV box, it will also off your TV. Yeah, something like that. So it's synchronized between them. So yep, that's cool. System sounds, you can off it, you can on it, up to you. Advanced sound settings, SPDIF outputs. That's if you are using those older home theater systems. I don't, I use the HDMI. So I will use surround sound. I'll just change it to, yep, automatic. Okay, done with display and sound, the storage, it shows that it is a 64 gig internal shared storage, and you have Google Assistant as well. So this is for you to use the Google Voice, yeah, Google Assistant. Screensavers, you can have it on, you can turn it off. It's always turned off by default. Energy saver, it's always off. For me, I think I don't need this. Location, I wouldn't touch that. Accessibility, no. And you can restart the device here without, you know, plugging or unplugging the cable. So let's check out the advanced settings, root switch, performance, dialog, device mode. Okay, I don't want to touch that. And Bluetooth, this is where you can connect your Bluetooth earphone, yeah, your wireless Bluetooth earphone, or your mouse or your keyboard. You can do that there as well. And this is the remote connected. You can also have auto starts, whatever apps you have there, meaning that when you start your device, it will automatically start the app. And you can also lock your app. Yeah, this is the password. This is good if you don't want your kids to watch certain apps. And this is to change the password. And mouse speed. Yeah, I forgot to say that. This is the mouse button. Let me just focus. This is a mouse button, so that's why there's a mouse speed over there. And front panel brightness. This is 1. This is 8. So by default, it's set at 2. I think that should be sufficient. So let's go back. And go back again. Then you get to see desktop style. You can change your desktop style. That's something new. Change to style 1. Yeah, or you can have it in style 2 this way. I will stick with the default style, yeah. Okay, let's see. Custom wallpaper. So you can change your own wallpaper if you want to. Right now it's only 1, or you can switch it randomly. So playback quality. So display enhance, you can enable or disable it, or change it to demo. I think it's disabled at first. Video effects is standard. Yep. And you can change the brightness, contrast, saturation, and detail enhance. This is the version detection. This is the latest version. And you can contact the customer service over here. Click down there. Yep. To see what is already installed. You already have YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus already installed. So right, let's check out the YouTube. Right, I'm signed into the YouTube, and let's check out whether I can get 4K here. And let's click on this 2160p. This is the 4K. Okay, let's go back and take a look at the screen. The 4K videos, yep. Okay, let's go back. Enough of testing on YouTube. And let's check out the real TV itself. So in here, you get to choose whatever you want. So it actually loaded quite fast, yeah. So let me just try and fast forward it. Yep, immediately it shows pretty fast. Okay, let's pause this and click on the menu and see what other things I can do with it. I can actually change the ratio. Yep, 4:3 if I want to, but normally I just put it as full or auto. Decoder, you can change to hardware, software, and speed. You can actually slow it down or make it faster. And you have problem feedbacks. Actually, you can click on it and talk to it. And let's say you want to see anything related to Bruce Lee. So there you go, guys. These are the Bruce Lee stuff. So for TV channels, you can also change by using the voice activation by, let's say, CCTV2. There you go, it will change for me to CCTV2. So if you click on this user here on top, you can also click here and you can select boot start, meaning that when you start your box, it will start immediately on this app immediately, or you can just disable it. And language settings, you can actually follow the system, or you can just change it over here to whichever settings you want. And speech settings, this is like clicking on this voice for you to change. Yeah, you can change it to English or others. And this where you can give your feedback so they can improve. And there's a customer service, yep, and the version upgrade. So for now, this is the latest. And you can also do account migration, okay, and can also get to see the history here. Yeah, things you have watched before. So that's all. To switch off, just click on the green one, click a little longer, and click power off, and that's it. Thanks guys, bye.